Bluehost coupon code, Bluehost promo code, Bluehost discount code, whatever you guys want to call it. I'm going to be going over how you can save a bunch of money with Bluehost, and all you have to do, simply click the top link down below in the video description, and you'll come to a page that looks something like this, where you can get all the best Bluehost coupon codes, and there's plenty of different deals and discounts you can take advantage of right off the bat. So again, all you have to do is simply just go through the link down below in the video description, and you'll come to Bluehost's official coupon code page where you can save a bunch of money. So as you can see, like right off the bat, Bluehost coupon codes save up to 50% on hosting and more. So you can get, this plan for $2.95 a month, which is a special intro offer, and there's a 30-day money back guarantee as well. There's also other discounts and stuff. For instance, you can get up to 60% off select products. Again, all you have to do to access all these deals, by the way, is just simply go through the link down below in the video description, just for your information, just so you know, right? Anyway, so it's perfect for getting started online. So this deal allows you to get it for $2.75 a month. So it's going to be like shared hosting. So that's a magnificent discount. All you have to do is just go through the link down below to access the deal, click and get started, and take advantage of this special deal. If it is available, it will obviously come up, but so basically just going over what's on their page right now. So do keep in mind that these different deals, and coupon codes may update and change in the future. So if you want to go to Bluehost's official coupon code page, just go through the link down below to access all the best deals. There's also discounts on like domains, so up to 40% off on WP Pro. There's discount on Bluehost SEO tools, so there's different deals for that, up to 60% off, for Office 365 Business Plus, 50% off for Office 365 Business Pro, and all that type of stuff. So obviously they're saying right here, these coupon code prices are for new accounts, established using a new email address only. Promotional pricing does not extend to existing accounts renewals or for domain name renewals. So just keep that in mind. Well, nevertheless, if you're looking for some Bluehost coupon codes, you can go through the link down below in the video description to get access to all these special deals, and all the latest deals that do happen to come up in the future as well. So it's going to be through the video description down below, and in the pinned comment section down below for your convenience. So if you want to get the best Bluehost coupon codes, discount codes, promo codes, just go through the link down below and you'll be good to go. So yeah, thanks for watching today's Bluehost coupon code video.